Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sayyidatul Soleha. Text-based language teaching (TBLT) is a language teaching method that focuses on using meaningful and relevant text as the center of the learning process. The following is a detailed explanation of TBLT. What is the best text-based language teaching? Text-based language teaching (TBLT) is a language learning approach that emphasizes the use of authentic and meaningful text to encourage students to use the target language in real context. These texts are not just ordinary linguistic exercise, but activities that reflect the use of language in real-life situation, such as ordering food at a restaurant, planning a trip, or discussing a particular topic. 2. The purpose of text-based language teaching. The purpose of text-based language teaching is improve communication skill, help students develop speaking, listening, reading, and writing skill in realistic and meaningful situations. Focus on language usage. Encourages students to use the target language actively and creatively. Cognitive and social skill development. Help students think critically, solve problems, and work together in group. Increase motivation and engagement. Provide texts that are interesting and relevant to student life, which can increase their motivation and participation in learning. 3. The characteristic of text-based language teaching. The main characteristic of TBLT include authentic texts that are relevant and reflect real-life language usage. Focus on language usage activities that encourages students to use the target language to achieve specific goals. Process-based learning, a learning process in which students engage in text that require the use of language to communicate. Performance-based assessment that is based on student performance in completing real assessment, not just written tests. Collaborative and interaction encourages cooperation and interaction between students through group assessment. 4. How text-based language teaching improve language skill. TBLT improve language skill by integrating skill. Students use various language skill, listening, speaking, reading, writing in an integrated context. Language usage in real context. Students get used to using language in realistic situations, which help them develop effective communication skill. Improve fluency and accuracy. Through repeat practice in real situations, students can improve their language fluency and accuracy. Provide immediate feedback. Teacher and classmates provide immediate feedback on language usage, which help students correct mistakes and improve their skill. 5. How teacher and student in text-based language teaching approach in TBLT. The role of teacher and student are different from the traditional approach. Teacher role. The teacher functions as a facilitator or guide. They design appropriate text, provide clear instruction, observe and help when needed, and provide constructive feedback. Student role. Student acts as active actor in the learning process. They work together in group, participate in discussion, complete assessment, and use the target learning actively and creatively. Implementation of text-based teaching. Implementation of TBLT usually involves the following step. 1. Pretext. Preparation before the main text. The teacher introduces the topic, provides introduction, and may provide example. Text cycle. Text student carry out the main text using the target language. Planning. Student prepare a report on how they complete the assessment. Report. Student present the result of the assessment to other classes or group. 3. Post text. Reflection and analysis after the main text. Teacher provide feedback and students discuss what they have learned and how they can improve. With this approach, TBLT aims to make learning more effective and relevant to student real life need and context. Conclusion of text-based learning teaching. Text-based learning teaching (TBLT) is a learning teaching approach that focuses on the use of authentic and meaningful tests to encourage students to use the target language in real-life situations. This approach aims to improve communication abilities, cognitive and social skills, as well as student motivation and involvement in language learning, with key characteristics such as authentic text, process-based learning, and performance-based assessment. TBLT provides an effective framework for more relevant and contextual language teaching. Example of how the teacher teach topic: planning a vacation. Pretext. Preparation step. 1. Topic introduction. The teacher introduces the topic planning a vacation. The teacher explains the purpose of the assessment, namely planning and holiday for the group using English. Instruction. The teacher provides general guidance on the step to planning a holiday, such as choosing a destination, determining a budget, and making an activity schedule. Example: the teacher provides example of dialogue or text related to planning a holiday, such as a conversation about choosing a destination or reading a tourist brochure. Text cycle. Text implementation step. 1. Text implementation. Students are divided into small groups. Each group is given the task of planning a 3-day holiday to the destination of their course. They have to decide on the destination, transportation, accommodation, and activities they will do. Students use the internet or provide material to find the necessary information. 2. Planning. After gathering information, each group make a detailed itinerary including daily itinerary and budget. Students prepare presentation to explain their holiday plans. 3. Report. Each group presents the holiday plans to the class. Other students can ask questions or make suggestions. Post-test. Reflection and analysis step. 1. Reflection. The teacher holds a class discussion about the text that has been completed. Students discuss what they learned, the challenges they face, and how they solve problems. 2. Feedback. The teacher provides feedback on each group performance, including aspects of the language that need improvement, such as grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation. 3. Additional assessment. The teacher may give further assessment, such as writing a short essay about the experience of planning a holiday or making a travel brochure based on the plans that have been made. By following these steps, teacher can apply TBLT to make language learning more interesting, relevant, and effective, and help students develop their communication skill in real and meaningful contexts.